good, y'all? I'm back with another video. Oh shit, why is it shaking? Back with another video. As you can see, I just got back from reviewing the University Air Jordan 4s. So now I'm going to be reviewing another shoe that I got from another company. Also, shout out to them as well for sending me this shoe. I've been trying to get this shoe for a while now, and actually for a pretty long time. I take that back, a pretty long time, because this shoe was more like it kind of reminded me of a Yukon colorway, you know. For those of you who don't know, I'm a big fan of Yukon. I love the school, I love the culture of it, and so on and such. And it's a really dope school. And to go about it, they have a colorway for it. Not for the school, but it's a similar colorway to it behind it, with the gray and the other stuff, you know what I mean? But let me not get off topic. Now, without further ado, let's get right into this review and talk about the shoe. Oh, don't mind about the volume. Hey, I was watching the Pelicans and Knicks game right now, which is still going on, but yeah, it looks like the Knicks is winning. Go Knicks. Even though I talk shit about them from time to time. My ass is struggling with this. Oh shit. Why is it in a big old box? There you go. So, here's the box. Here's what it looks like. It's a big ass box if you ask me. Now I'm gonna open this up, see what's inside. Ooh, okay. A Nike box. All right, what's inside of it? Okay. All right. So here we have the regular Nike box, as you can see right here. What the hell is this? Oh, probably put like a retail tag on this. Accidentally, and then ripped it off. This is the Dunks, size 12. Even though I'm 11.5. It's somewhere close to being a size 12, so 11, 11.5, or 12, doesn't matter. We can fit them all. Also has the little Nike tag right here where it's from, Beaverton, Oregon, as y'all can see right here. I don't know if y'all can read fast or not, but I'm going with school. The box looks amazing, and it smells pretty much like a retail, if you ask me. So let's look inside. Ooh, shit, yo. We got the Samba Dunks, JP Samba Dunks actually. Like I said, kind of reminds me of the Yukon Huskies in some sort of way. It has that gray, blue, and reddish type of colorway here and there. White laces and all that. I'm pretty sure they come with extra set of laces, but I don't see them in the box, which is okay, if you ask me. But other than that, this shoe is fit to perfect people. And it looks pretty good, if you ask me. It kind of blends in, kind of has that reddish purple vibes, you know? And as y'all can see right here, the insole looks pretty good to me. Even crushed, but it looks pretty good. It looks good. What else I got here? Now, y'all know what I say about StockX tags, right? We gonna throw this shit to the side. Fuck that. Oh, snap a Instagram. Fuck that shit. What's the other one at? We got another StockX stuff. Like, don't get me wrong, this shit will easily fool somebody. And I know there's some dumbass people in the world who will think this is it, but trust me, don't be stupid, please. Please don't be this stupid. Throw that shit to the side as well. What else we got here? Nike Authentic, put that to the side, you know, for respect. And yeah, here you have the shoe here. Another one, another pair of the shoe as well. It's pretty dope. I love the shoe. I love how the shoe looks. And when they first came out, I wanted to get these shoes so bad, but you know how hard it is to get a dub on the sneakers app? It's really hard to get a dub on the sneakers app. Like, I don't know if some people caught dubs on the sneakers app or not, but for me, I have never caught a dub on the sneakers app at all. I feel like the thing just hates me all around. I don't know. I really don't care, to be honest, because there's other ways to get your shoes from. You can go to Foot Locker, Champs, Expressions, if you live in the Boston area. If not, then you got other options. Depending on where you're from exactly, but I don't know. Other than that, man, the shoe looks good. It got that nice tumble leather. It kind of, and the swoosh, the Nike swoosh sign Kind of reminds me of jersey. Very thick jersey on the material as well. And the material that they put around the shoe, well, in the mid colorways, it looks really good. It kind of gives me that purple reddish vibes, as y'all can ask me. It kind of reflects off of it. Even if I was to wear this shoe outside, the color off the sun will bounce off the color of the shoe, which is good. It kind of has mixed colors in a way, almost as if it kind of reminds me of the LA to Chicago ones, where you just erase it. But I don't think you can erase the color off of this though, really. What else? The Nike suit, the Nike tongue looks amazing as well. Nothing doesn't look off or nothing. It looks pretty okay to me. And the bottom looks good. Looks really good, as y'all can see. Shoelaces are okay. And yeah, this shoe is built for perfection. I almost said protection. Perfection. Everything looks good. I would probably give this 4 out of 5 stars. Just again, if I'm rating this shoe, just know that I'm being very strict with this shoe. The shoe looks amazing. I can't lie. There's a couple stains on here, which is art, which is fine. Some shoes will have that. You know, like I said, if you're wondering that stores produce shoes like this, they don't. They just get them from a different place and then put them in the store. That's a little history for y'all young sneakerheads out there. But other than that, this shoe looks really dope. And also, guys, everything is on point here. Like I said, everything's on point. I don't see any flaws on this shoe, really. Except, what else is on here? Yeah, I don't see any flaws on here. I mean, everything looks correct. Everything looks fine. So, yeah, everything looks pretty good. But, yeah, as y'all can see right here, I'm going to give y'all a little mini B-roll right here, as Minor Kicks will say. Let's get to this on-foot B-roll. As y'all can see right here. It looks pretty good. Everything looks good, so I don't see no problem with this shoe, really. But enough talk. Let's get to this on-foot review, okay?